this video, we're going to be showing you a PlushCraft fabric fun by Orb Factory. And we're going to be making a puppy. This set includes 1 figure, 1 stylus, 500 fabric pieces, and 9 accessories. And if you're interested in getting this, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Let's get started. So this is how the box looks like. Here's the side. So here's the back. And I can't believe there's 500 fabric pieces. So let's open it. So let's open up the figure. So here it is. Kind of looks like an otter. So here's the other items you could get. So here's the instructions. So here are the fabric pieces. So here are the accessories. So let's open it. So here's the stylus. It has a little flower on the top. Here is the collar. Ooh, it's a really pretty color. So here are the eye pieces. Here are the eyes. And we also have the tag. Ooh, it's a little bone. Here is the nose. And it also comes with some other fabric pieces. It looks like the ears. We're going to be following the instructional colors. So we're going to be starting with the white. Okay. Got one in. So here's what we have so far, and now we're gonna work our way down to the feet. So we finished the white, and we're going to move on to black. So we're done with all the black. Yay. So we're moving on to the brown. Yep, so everything here is gonna be brown. Okay, so we are finished. Ooh, it's so cute. And now we're gonna poke in all the accessories. So let's start with the nose. We're gonna put it right there. Let's try to do this. Now let's put on the eyes. Here are the eyes. And we're gonna have to poke this hole right here. And then we're gonna slide that through. Ooh, this is cute. Okay, so let's do that on the other eye. Yay! Woo! So now let's put them onto the figure. Okay, so here we have the first eye. It looks super weird with no eye on the other side. So now let's put on the other eye. So now let's put on the ears and the tail. So the ears are now on and the tail, and I can't wait to put on the collar. It looks so cute. So here is the collar. Now let's put it on the dog. So here he is. So here is our plush puppy, and it was super fun to make, but it took us a little while. It was kind of hard to poke in the holes. Yeah. And let us know what you guys think about this PlushCraft in the comment section below. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! So let's open it. Oh my God!